Hi, I'm Martin from Ashby's, and today I wanted to take a moment to show you the Sebo Duo 3000G carpet pre-spray agitator. I'm being ably assisted by Alana. Say hello, Alana.
Hello.
Who's blowing bubbles and with chewing gum there, I can see. Looking good there, Alana. It's a very well priced, ultra robust and reliable agitator. That sounds like sound bites, but basically we sell loads of these and we never see them back. So you can buy one of these with confidence. They're actually made in Germany. Alana, come and have a little look. Made in Germany. So yeah, a really nice piece of kit. Very, very well priced, as I said. And what they are known as in the trade, the professional carpet cleaning trade, is a CRB machine. Do you know what CRB stands for, Alana?
No.
Contra-rotating brush. It means it's got two brushes, one, two, which roll in on themselves. They contra-rotate towards the centre of the machine. And it means that it almost floats across the pile, which is really nice and easy to use. And rejuvenates it and helps bring up flattened pile and massage in your pre-spray, make it ultra effective. Now it comes with these two white brushes, which are your standard carpet agitation brushes. They do have the option of buying, and they're quite simple to change, two red brushes. But to be honest, we rarely sell them. They are good, they're quite stiff. You'd have to have quite a low profile carpet, I think, that was highly resilient to scrubbing to want to use those. So most people just stick with these standard white brushes. It also comes with this tray, which allows you to stand the machine up without flattening the brushes, which is always good. And it also comes with 4 packs of Sebo Duo P powder, which is, follow me up, is a 500 gram bag of dry granulated powder that you sprinkle onto the carpet, normally by hand, and agitate it in with the Sebo Duo, and then dry vacuum it out with a professional commercial vacuum cleaner. That gives you a dry granular clean for a carpet, kind of like a light refresh really, because what we're interested in our trade of the professional carpet cleaning side of things is using it to apply pre-spray before you extract with your machine and a carpet cleaning wand, basically, a hot water extraction machine. Now, what we're applying are pre-sprays. So these are pre-sprays. Here we have Supreme Pre-Spotter, which is a general purpose, heavy duty, highly concentrated pre-spotter. This is a Supreme Anti-Grease, which is an additive to any pre-spotter. Any of your pre-sprays can be boosted and you give it a bit of an extra grease cutting ability when you use anti-grease. And I, to be honest, used to use it on all carpets, but it's especially effective when you're cleaning in restaurants and pubs and anywhere where food grease is involved. And you can apply it with something like this great Hydroforce Revolution, which is an inline sprayer, so it connects to your machine here, your water hose, water passes through there, and you have your neat mixture there, siphons in through a Venturi valve here, at the rate you set, anything from as weak as a 1 to 64 to as strong as a 1 to 4. So in our industry, we're normally using it about 1 to 10, but it allows you to put down your pre-spray hot and at the correct dilution, so you're not really having to over wet. Right, let's use the machine.
Can we show them the brushes?
Oh, the brush. It comes with a little spotting brush. It's robust, I'll give it that. And basically, it's used to agitate in the dry granules apparently for little spotting areas. So if you had a little spot you wanted to try and remove with your Sebo Duo powder, that's the thing you can use. There we go. Right, here is our...
That's spinning.
Show it spinning. Yeah, why not? Did I not? Oh, okay. Good job you're here, Alana. Hold on a second. Take that off. If I put it there, you should be able to see it rather well. So when I switch it on, the brushes will contra-rotate in on themselves. And that's what's happening to your carpet on the underside of a Sebo Duo. Right, here's one that we use on our training course. Seen some action. But yeah, let's agitate this old carpet that we have here on a training stand. And yeah, just, you've got a lot of resistance when you're trying to push it forward. It won't really move forward, but as soon as I just switch it on, if you look up here, Alana, you've got the switch. It literally just floats over the carpet, massaging in that pre-spray, making it as effective as possible, rejuvenating the pile in flattened areas that you often find on traffic lanes and in front of sofas or in front on commercial premises, you know, in front of desks and things like that. It's really good for the customer to see you doing this because it's you know, something that they're unable to do themselves. It's an extra process that helps to get the carpet cleaner with less effort, but also show the customer that you're doing all the processes you should be doing when you're cleaning that carpet. And it's incredibly therapeutic. Alana, are you hypnotized? Yes. Well, don't be. I need you to film. So yeah, we sell much more expensive pre-treatment agitators, but this is so good. I'm a firm believer in buy right, buy once, and I would say think very, very carefully before you buy anything other than a Sebo Duo, because you're kind of, in my opinion, possibly throwing money away that you could be spending on upgrading your machine. These pre-treatment agitators by Sebo are just reliable, well priced, and go on for years. So yeah, we sell them on our website if you'd like to order one, and you can also order one by giving us a ring. So we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you for your help, Alana, and reminding me about turning the machine on and the brush. And yeah, we look forward to hearing from you. Give us a ring or order online.